gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah.
The Vivo X Fold 6 is more than just another foldable smartphone. It can even work like a compact PC, and once you connect it to an ultra-wide monitor, the whole experience becomes seriously impressive. Hey everyone, today we're taking a look at Vivo's latest foldable flagship, the X Fold 6. This new model puts a big focus on AI-powered productivity and comes with OriginOS 6 Fold, a version of the system designed specifically for foldable devices. Thanks to that, it delivers some major software improvements that really enhance the overall experience.
A quick shout to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content.
Let's start with the PC mode you saw earlier. This isn't just a desktop-style theme, it's a complete PC-like environment with its own interface and workflow. At the bottom, you'll find a quick launch dock, while the top left neatly displays your app icons. The top right gives you quick access to screenshots, notifications, network status, battery, calendar, and the clock. In the lower right corner, there are dedicated buttons for recent apps, the desktop, and the back function. By default, the phone's large inner display transforms into a touchpad. Pair it with a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse, and using the X Fold 6 feels surprisingly similar to working on a laptop. For productivity, Vivo has pre-installed the PC version of WPS Office. Once you enter PC mode, WPS appears right on the desktop, allowing you to edit documents directly from your phone. If your work mainly revolves around documents and office tasks, this setup is more than capable of handling your daily workflow. In real-world testing, PC mode supports 2K high-resolution output and can display up to 5 application windows at the same time. If you're using an ultra-wide monitor like I am, every window gets more space, making everything easier to read and work with. As you open additional apps, they're automatically minimized into icons along the bottom dock, letting you switch between them instantly while keeping the desktop clean and organized. What if you're in a meeting and the display doesn't have a video cable available? That's not a problem. PC mode also supports wireless screen projection. Although the cursor response is slightly slower compared to a wired connection, all of the main features work exactly the same. Beyond desktop-style productivity, the Vivo X Fold 6 also introduces an upgraded atomic workbench for multitasking on the go, allowing one display to function like 4 separate screens. With a simple 3-finger swipe upward, you can instantly activate the 4-window layout. Take meetings as an example. You can dedicate half of the screen to recording the conversation, while the remaining space displays multiple apps side by side without covering each other. After the meeting ends, the AI meeting assistant generates separate summaries for each speaker instead of creating one general recap, making it much easier to review the key points. Another useful example is planning a trip. You can keep 3 ticket booking apps open alongside a map app at the same time, making it easy to compare prices while checking destinations. When you need to enter ID information, simply drag a photo into the input field. The AI-powered drag-and-drop recognition automatically extracts the details, so the entire process takes only a few seconds. Shopping is another situation where this feature really shines. You can display 4 different shopping platforms simultaneously, making price comparisons much faster without constantly switching between apps. Once you've chosen where to buy, you can simply drag the divider to resize the windows, making it more convenient to complete your purchase. Sports fans also get a nice advantage. Using hover mode together with the parallel multi-window feature, you can watch a live football match while chatting on social media at the same time without interrupting either activity. These are all practical situations that my colleagues and I regularly encounter in daily use, and after testing them ourselves, it's clear that the Vivo X Fold 6's atomic workbench genuinely helps improve productivity and multitasking efficiency. Besides these upgrades, the Vivo X Fold 6 also introduces the Blue Factory vCloud Lobster Smart Agent, allowing users to control their devices directly from the phone while the computer handles the actual tasks in the background.
The software experience will become even more interesting after the upcoming OTA update, and we'll cover all of those new features once it's available. Right now, one of the standout functions is the built-in document management app. Its interface uses a split-screen preview layout that's very similar to Windows, making everything look clean, organized, and easy to navigate. It also adopts a desktop-style interface, and with AI-powered recognition, the system can intelligently recommend the files and documents you're most likely looking for, making document management much more efficient. Now that we've covered the software, let's move on to the hardware. This time, performance is no longer a concern for the Vivo X Fold 6. The phone is powered by the latest flagship Dimensity 9500 Super Edition chipset, delivering a significant performance boost. The Super Edition also introduces several upgrades, including the built-in Blueprint V3 imaging chip. The upgraded V3 Plus further improves multi-thread processing, edge AI performance, and power efficiency under demanding workloads, providing a solid foundation for the OriginOS 6 Fold experience. Battery life is another major highlight. Every version of the Vivo X Fold 6 comes equipped with a massive 7,000 mAh battery. During our real-world 3-hour usage test, the phone still had 70% battery remaining, showing a noticeable improvement over the previous generation. Charging is also more convenient thanks to a useful new feature. Similar to the iPhone, the Vivo X Fold 6 can estimate and display how much time is left until the battery reaches 80% and 100% while charging. In our testing, this worked consistently with both wired and wireless chargers, while also clearly indicating whether the charging speed is fast or slow. As for the design, we already covered most of it during the unboxing, but there are a few details worth mentioning. The blue hole version features a frosted glass back panel, while the other two color options use a fiberglass finish. Every model also comes with dust and water resistance. The display specifications remain the same across the lineup. The outer display uses the BOE Q51 panel, while the larger inner display features Samsung's M14 panel. The outer display has a wider aspect ratio along with slightly larger bezels, giving it a look that's very close to a traditional flagship smartphone. Around the back, the camera module is noticeably larger, showing that Vivo didn't compromise on imaging performance. The camera hardware is flagship level, led by a 200-megapixel Samsung HPB main sensor that offers plenty of flexibility for editing and post-processing. The telephoto camera is a 50-megapixel periscope lens, supporting an external 200mm teleconverter, as well as waist-level framing. During real-world shooting, including live acrobatic performances, handheld recording remained stable, producing sharp and detailed images even when subjects were moving quickly. Low-light video performance was equally impressive. Overall, the Vivo X Fold 6 delivers stage photography and video capabilities that can genuinely compete with today's flagship camera phones. In the end, the biggest strength of the Vivo X Fold 6 isn't just the hardware, it's the software experience. With features like 4-window multitasking, a full PC mode, AI-powered speaker-specific meeting summaries, and plenty of other intelligent tools, it becomes a truly capable AI productivity device. On the hardware side, the combination of the Dimensity 9500 Super Edition and the massive 7,000 mAh battery ensures smooth performance and excellent endurance even during intensive daily use. This generation of the Vivo X Fold 6 is especially well suited for entrepreneurs and business users who rely on mobile productivity, so it's definitely worth taking a closer look. The base version of the Vivo X Fold 6 starts at 7,999 yuan in China, which is roughly £889 in the UK and around $1,177 in the United States. So, what do you think about the Vivo X Fold 6? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.